Prime Minister Andrew Holness today gave an indication of his plans for the new year. And as you'll hear in this report, crime and violence, the makeup of his cabinet, and Jamaica's ties with the British monarch are among the priority issues.
The Prime Minister signaled that he will make changes to his cabinet in the new year. Mr. Holness addressed the matter while speaking with Emily Shields during Hotline on Radio Jamaica on Thursday.
I think it would not be unreasonable to see one done in the new year.
Will it come?
Yes, it will.
Prime Minister Holness also addressed the spiraling crime problem in the country. He described crime and violence as a virus that has infected Jamaicans and said it is also one of the big issues that his administration will be focusing on next year.
Violence has become now such a critical issue that is almost defining who we are as a people. And that wasn't always the case. As we go into celebrating who we are as Jamaicans in our 60th year of independence, we need to address that. How are we going to treat with this growing disease of virus that has infected Jamaicans and how we relate to each other?
Mr. Holness said one of his other plans for the new year would revolve around the country's 60th year of independence.
The government is going to be focused on ensuring that all Jamaicans can have a great sense of pride in their country, to reflect on what we have achieved, to be critical of what we have not achieved, but to use that critical energy as resolve to ensure that for the next 6 years we actually achieve the vision of the founding fathers.
The Prime Minister is wishing Jamaicans a Merry Christmas when it comes encouraging the people to continue to hope for better days despite the trying times.
Is it that we're going to be moving away from the Queen as head of state? Are you going to commence that process, you say?
That process will start, obviously. I mean, we've always had that on our agenda, but as you will know, it is not a simple process.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.